I'm going to give you a few things that would be good to know about the Kenosha Fire Department recruitment process. It's a fairly long process, longer than you would expect for a lot of other jobs, but it's fairly involved, and it's a 30-year commitment when you get hired here. So the first process would be completing your application, and that's a 45-day window usually that application period is open. Once that's been submitted, as long as all of the qualifications have been met, you would be notified by someone from the City of Kenosha HR department who would let you know we've accepted your application, and they would send you all the necessary information to sign up for the different written test dates. The written test is a general knowledge-based test, and we do provide some information as far as study materials, and there will be a link tree provided in this video. After you've completed your written test successfully, again, you would be notified that you're moving on to the next stage of the process with the Kenosha Fire Department. At that time, you would set up a date and time for your first panel interview. That panel interview takes place with 3 or 4 different individuals from this fire department, all different ranks: firefighter, driver, or company officer. That would be a lieutenant or a captain. During that panel interview, you would be asked questions about yourself. We'd be getting to know who you are. If you pass through that panel interview, at that time, you would be scheduling a chief's interview, and before that point, we would need for you to complete successfully a CPAT. That is a Candidate Physical Ability Test. That's a nationally recognized test by a lot of fire departments in the country. You can find resources for that online, and we will provide a link to local testing sites. After you've passed the CPAT, you would come to your chief's interview, which takes place with the fire chief or other designated chiefs of the department, and they are interviewing you pertaining to questions of what type of employee you are and why you want to be a part of the Kenosha Fire Department. If you've been selected to be hired here, you would receive your conditional offer of employment, and you would be welcomed into our Basic Recruit Training Academy, which takes place beginning in March every year. So good luck with your process, and we hope to see you at the Kenosha Fire Department.